In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency, finding the right trading platform is crucial, especially if you're in the USA and planning for 2025. The best platform can significantly impact your investment success, offering tools, security, and user experience tailored to your needs. With so many options available, it's essential to cut through the noise and identify platforms that genuinely stand out. This video is designed to guide you through the top contenders, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. We'll explore platforms known for their user-friendly interfaces, robust security measures, and competitive fee structures. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding the landscape is the first step toward maximizing your crypto investments. We'll consider factors beyond just the trading experience. Regulatory compliance, educational resources, and customer support are vital components of a reliable platform. As the crypto market matures, these elements become increasingly important for protecting your investments and ensuring a seamless trading experience. What to look for in a crypto trading platform? Before diving into specific platforms, let's define what makes a crypto trading platform the best. Security is paramount. Look for platforms with two-factor authentication, cold storage for assets, and a strong track record of protecting user funds. User experience is also critical, especially for beginners. An intuitive interface, easy navigation, and clear instructions can make all the difference. Fees can eat into your profits, so compare trading fees, withdrawal fees, and any other charges associated with the platform. The range of cryptocurrencies offered is another important consideration. Some platforms specialize in few major coins, while others offer a wider variety of altcoins. Finally, consider the platform's reputation and regulatory compliance. Platforms that adhere to U.S. regulations provide an added layer of security and peace of mind. Look for user reviews and ratings to gauge the overall sentiment and identify any potential red flags. Number 1. Coinbase, the user-friendly giant. Coinbase is often the first platform that comes to mind for beginners, and for good reason. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Coinbase also offers a variety of educational resources, including tutorials and guides, to help new users learn the ropes. Security is a top priority for Coinbase, with measures like two-factor authentication and insurance coverage for digital assets held in their custody. The platform also complies with U.S. regulations, providing a safe and secure environment for trading. While Coinbase fees can be higher than some other platforms, its ease of use and security features make it a popular choice. Coinbase also offers Coinbase Pro, a more advanced trading platform with lower fees and more features for experienced traders. This allows users to graduate to a more sophisticated trading environment as their skills and experience grow. The combination of user-friendliness, security, and advanced trading options makes Coinbase a strong contender for the best crypto trading platform in the USA. Number 2. Binance US, the low-fee leader. Binance US is the American version of the global cryptocurrency exchange Binance, known for its low fees and wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Binance US offers a competitive fee structure, making it an attractive option for active traders. The platform also provides access to a wide range of altcoins, allowing users to diversify their portfolios. While Binance US may not be as beginner-friendly as Coinbase, it offers a more robust trading experience for those familiar with crypto markets. The platform includes advanced charting tools, order types, and other features that appeal to experienced traders. Binance US is also committed to security, with measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage for assets. However, Binance US has faced some regulatory scrutiny in the past, which is something to keep in mind. Despite these challenges, the platform remains a popular choice due to its low fees and wide selection of cryptocurrencies. For traders looking for value and variety, Binance US is a strong contender. Number 3. Kraken, the security-focused exchange. Kraken is one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its strong security measures and commitment to regulatory compliance. Kraken has a long track record of protecting user funds and has never been hacked. The platform employs a variety of security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regular security audits. Kraken offers a range of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. The platform also provides access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including major coins and altcoins. While Kraken's interface may not be as polished as some other platforms, its security and reliability make it a top choice for serious traders. Kraken is also known for its excellent customer support, with a team of knowledgeable representatives available to assist users with any issues. The combination of security, trading options, and customer support makes Kraken a standout platform in the crowded crypto market. If security is your top priority, Kraken should be high on your list. Number 4. Gemini, the regulated and secure platform. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that prioritizes security and regulatory compliance, making it a popular choice for institutional investors and individuals alike. Gemini is a New York-based exchange that adheres to strict regulatory standards, providing a high level of security and transparency. The platform is SOC 1 Type 2 and SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, demonstrating its commitment to data security and operational excellence. Gemini offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. The platform also provides access to a variety of features, including staking rewards and Gemini Earn, which allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. Gemini is also known for its innovative products, such as the Gemini credit card, which rewards users with crypto on every purchase. While Gemini's fees may be slightly higher than some other platforms, its security, regulatory compliance, and innovative products make it a compelling choice. For users who value security and peace of mind, Gemini is a top contender in the crypto trading platform space. Number 5. Crypto.com, the mobile-first platform. Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency platform that has gained popularity for its mobile-first approach and wide range of crypto-related services. Crypto.com offers a user-friendly mobile app that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on the go. The platform also offers a variety of other services, including crypto-backed loans, staking rewards, and a Visa debit card that rewards users with crypto. Crypto.com has a wide selection of cryptocurrencies available for trading, including major coins and altcoins. The platform also offers competitive fees, especially for users who stake Crypto.com's native token. Crypto.com is committed to security, with measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage for assets. However, Crypto.com has faced some criticism for its marketing tactics and complex fee structure. Despite these concerns, the platform remains a popular choice for its mobile-first approach and wide range of crypto services. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile crypto platform, Crypto.com is worth considering. Choosing the best crypto trading platform depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your risk tolerance, trading experience, and investment goals. If you're a beginner, Coinbase or Gemini may be good starting points due to their user-friendly interfaces and educational resources. If you're an active trader looking for low fees and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, Binance US or Kraken may be more suitable. If you value mobile convenience and a range of crypto services, Crypto.com could be a good fit. Always do your own research and consider the factors that are most important to you. Don't be afraid to try out multiple platforms to see which one you like best. Most platforms allow you to create a free account and explore their features before committing any funds. By taking the time to compare and contrast different platforms, you can find the one that best meets your needs and helps you achieve your crypto investment goals. In the future, we may see more platforms offering advanced features like decentralized finance, DeFi, integration, non-fungible token, NFT, trading, and more sophisticated trading tools. The best platforms will be those that can adapt to these changes and continue to provide a secure, user-friendly, and innovative trading experience. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency involves risks, and it's important to do your own research and invest responsibly. By choosing the right platform and staying informed, you can navigate the crypto market with confidence and achieve your financial goals. Good luck and happy trading!